bitch up. Turn that bitch up.
Yo, Gucci, so what am I saying?
Bitch, I'm tough. Who he with? Now it us. That boy sus. Get the punk, that's a must. I don't trust. Okay, cool. In Tokyo, I'm with my goals. My shooters up, no need for pool. In Tokyo, I'm with my goals. Okay, I'm not gonna run up a check. Like I got some, I'm deep in my set. It's like me, so I'm leaving the wet. That boy broke, I ain't tongue on my back. I get hella set. If we come ready, come correct. Just one up a motherfucker on their neck. Relay, run it up, replay. She come up from my way. Thread out with the EA. Niggas and makers, I'm stuck. Tell that nigga this up on the front end. All I IG's is stuck in the stomach. Get the bread and they coming in money. I want 20s, I don't want no hundreds. Spend a check and another one coming. Never make it to get in them nothing. Had to wake up and run up for something. Had you a heart, but I say your ass running. How you leaving if you know I'm coming? You ready to scream? You saw the ducking, pull up to the scene. And niggas was bugging. I had to run. Yeah, my pockets they been like my gas. My niggas they feeling they shit. My shorty see some she fat. I can pull up, just stay where you at. Better hope I don't get where you lay. I might put the whole team on my back. Everywhere that I go, had a snack. Had to sip out, I just had a match. Pulling that thing like a hatch. I had to get to the racks. I had to give me a stack. Don't got the time to relax. Me and the brothers attached. I had to fix like a patch. I got to fight with the black. Had to wake up and chase in the sun. I'm chasing the same. Thinking they mad cause I'm late. I gave a shit like a hat. All my niggas be coming through mix. All my niggas be nice. Me they be like it's max. From the past. I'm 7 the pace. And these niggas they acting like and these niggas they next. And they looking relaxed. And these niggas they loving it like they black. Yeah, it's black. Yeah, it's sad. It's so nice. Yeah, I'm good.